What to say when you're worried, but don't want to pry. Let's set the scene. You've noticed a colleague who's usually chatty go quiet. They've started eating alone, missing jokes, or leaving fast at the end of the day. You don't want to intrude, but doing nothing feels wrong. Reaching out doesn't need the perfect words, it just needs care. The potential impact. Silence can make struggle invisible. When people think no one's noticed, they retreat further, and that's when isolation turns into burnout. Small kindnesses often make the biggest difference. Let's keep this super simple. First, you don't need to fix anything, just show you've noticed. Second, try saying, "You've seemed off. Fancy a quick brew?" It opens the door without pressure. Third, listen more than you speak. Sometimes presence is enough. Fourth, respect boundaries. Don't push if they're not ready to talk. Fifth, if you're worried, share it gently with a safeguarding or well-being head. You're not betraying them, you're protecting them. Why this will make you hard to hack? Because empathy is emotional intelligence in action. It strengthens teams, builds trust, and reminds people they're not alone. When you lead with care, you make the workplace safer, for them and for you. Next up, you're not the problem, you're the start of the solution. See you in the next video.